edi kan enka obrofum na fi said that ye no iwi ana yenso yaba be chichim kakra e de aba yedim. Or say you were created to be victorious. Always aim and reach higher than you know you can. Wo a wuti me wona me ne edi nkomo yi. Wona me ne ye de sa asem yi e kaka ye hu. Se wo ye wo se wo ye nkunimdifo. Ti yi sa adwene wo trimu no se wo de me de meden aye ma ye me de yan me antusie so, and I'm not coming from a rich family, and I'm not coming from this and then and I was born in the village and so what? Ye wo se wo ye nkunimdifo. Fa show trimu sa na abreni nyina no ma enya obotaye fa si wani so se obedru ebre anase biaya ekron obi won mo set target aman ho ankitinkitin bisa na ade a de osusu se na ho odin betimi ne no kwa no ye. Sometimes you need to challenge yourself. Aim higher. Try so betimi akodru mpempen so a chain de wan kasa osusu mpo se obetimi aye so. Kaiser some time ago, somewhere 2012, and I said, yeah, 2012 more baby. Nah, your mommy target me. Hi. Every year be a target everyone on my chibi. I feel papa here and I said, Daddy Bosco. Was Charlie, I want double your target for you. I was Daddy, double says saying. I said, no. I see you if you challenge you go if you do more. So Charlie times 2. Charlie go. Leave my office. Also Sarah Castle. Leave I go. Hey, see your papa in here. One mama say the end by force. What do you mean GBA? Yo, a house there. It's all about the numbers, yo. Obeko via. I feel the end by my XCD. But I don't tell you. So sometimes we need to challenge ourselves. They also say, "Wa ho din betimi ayeno." Aya men kosro kakran chance. By the time you realize, once why ye dear chance de nanka won susumpo so betimi ayeno. Na wetimi ayeno ama ye. Kakran sa ye na be yi ye beko ye nimu abrabo mu. Timpatro for we ntu ekotodwum. Say you were created to be victorious. So always aim and reach higher than you know you can do. And by so doing, you'll be able to achieve or accomplish a lot more. Yeah, first was that my proud sponsors. You're my boy.